man. Why did I messed up my... Oh, God! Nice! What's going on in my lovely taquitas? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while though. Anyway, as you can see, I have a fish that's a nice red snapper, and I'ma make some callaloo stuffed roast fish. So yeah, now let's get into the ingredients. I have some carrots, some okra, and a spice blend, and I added some lemon pepper. This kind of lemon pepper, this brand rather. I also added some allspice, pimento, ground pimento. Added some ground black pepper. I added some roasted garlic powder and some Maggi all-purpose. So yeah, that's what's in this blend. I also have some cut up seasonings, which are tomato, pepper, thyme, garlic, and onion. I have my callaloo in some salt water. I have a ripe plantain, not too ripe, and some cinnamon. I can put that on the plantains. So yeah, this is the setup, this is the layout. Let's get right into it. So we're gonna start season up the fish. We're gonna put it in a cut there to make it soak in. I have to deal with the thing proper, you know. Can't go like you want lame pan the thing. I wide a vehicle there pass right now. Anyway, I'm just go and season up the thing, you see me. Boom shakalaka laka boom boom boom. Boom shakalaka laka boom boom. Why? Season up it. Now that shenanigan is over, may I add some coconut oil to teapot. I'ma insert my seasonings them now into the oil, and then I just stir up until it gets translucent. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the grace cock soup mix in it from my powder seasoning along with some remaining seasoning from the fish. But I put the noodle in there, I'm just gonna dust it out like yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, you see that? That's what I'm talking about. I'm not too like the noodle now. So I'm gonna dust it out. And then I'm gonna put in my callaloo now. So yeah, I'm just gonna stir this and come in with the leftover seasonings from the fish as I said before, and sprinkle it over that and just start it out. Tikitas. Take a moment and appreciate this beautiful array of colors. It look pretty though, real pretty. I'm gonna tell you something else. It smell real good. Alright, so that's that. I don't want to get too soft because you don't know, so it will go back into the fish and go pan the, it will go into the fish and go back on the fire and get more softer. So I just did want to infuse some of them flavor here in it before you go into the fish. So yeah, make it stay right here. So this is kind of like the fun part. I get some chiffon margarine and I just spread it over the foil, you know, grease it up. I don't want fish stick. So yeah. And speaking of fish, let us put it down. Big fat fish, all in from. Alright, stop it. Okay, so we just put some more butter inside of it and on top of it, you know, get it moist and juicy and buttery and not to stick. All of that goodness. Yeah, we're just putting up some up in the head. You know, we have to make all that nice, even though I'm not fish head, but yeah. some little flavors that will come from the fish head, you know, the juice and thing, and make it nice. Yeah, make it nice. So we'll stuff it now. Stuff him belly and him head. Stuff him all over. So yeah, that's that for the butter. I'm gonna come in with some like extra callaloo, you know, put it in there. Just use up everything what I have, you know, and plus I need the iron. Yeah. I'm gonna get fat. So here's another fun part. I'm about to rolling. I'm sure into the competition then. Spice! Anyway, this is how I'm rolling it. You know, I'm bending over the end of the foil, and then I just set it flat, you know, so it steam good, you know. Yeah, so I roll it up and change. Just look what I do. Alright, so I'm finished, but I'm gonna add another piece of foil because, you know, I like it very secure, so in case anything feel like it will leak out, it will leak out. So yeah, I'm just gonna add one extra piece of foil for extra precaution. Alright, I have my plantains and I'm just slicing it in half. Lengthwise, whatever. I'm just slice it in half, yeah. And I'm just going to come in with, I'm a foot that crack, my goodness, some cinnamon, you know, bring out some more sweetness, because why not? And then I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt, bring out more sweetness, because why not? So now that's on it, I'm just going to rub it in a little bit, you know. Pat, tap, tap. Yeah, looking good. So I'm just going to come in with some chiffon and spread it over it. A buttery goodness, sweet buttery goodness. And just use my finger, come on, clean, and rub it in. That rhyme? Anyway, yeah, so this is what I'm doing, just rubbing in the butter, you know. And then, look what I'm about to do next. Where would I? Outside. So yeah, I'm just put down this pan. Say, yeah, see me. Alright, so I have a fish on the fire. Of a plantain. I could shake up the fire. Turn it down. Alright, so thing I sort out. So I have to turn around and make fashion, and I have the piece of whole patty and I just put it over it for get a little steam, isn't it? See that? Nice. Can smell the cinnamon and thing, isn't it? So I'm opening it. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Seen it, fam? Look at my mate, fam. Let us test. Let us meow. Oh man, why did I messed up my? Oh God! Nice! So guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, which I know you do, right? And also you can comment and share, and most importantly, subscribe, because why not? Enjoy, see you next time. Bye bye.